So, you're trying to add an AWeber signup form to Elementor, but the process isn't as smooth as you'd hope. Maybe you're dealing with formatting issues, or Elementor just doesn't seem to play nicely with Arbor's embed codes. By the end of this video, not only will you have a working signup form inside Elementor, but I'll also show you a much easier way to handle this, something that can save you time and actually improve your signup rates. First, let's quickly generate the form inside AWeber. Head to your AWeber account, go to Sign Up Forms, and create a new form. Choose a basic template, add the fields you want, and save. Once done, click Publish, and AWeber will give you an embed code. This is where things get tricky. Next, in Elementor, you have two main ways to add this code. One, using the HTML widget. Just drag it onto your page, paste in the AWeber embed code, and update the page. But here's the issue, Arbor's forms aren't always mobile-friendly, and Elementor won't let you style them properly without custom CSS. 2. Using the shortcode widget. If you're using a third-party AWeber plugin, it might generate a shortcode. Drag the shortcode widget onto your page, insert the code, and check how it looks. Now, here's where things get frustrating. Arbor's default forms tend to look outdated and don't always blend well with Elementor's modern design. Plus, if you want advanced customization, like inline forms, two-step opt-ins, or smart integrations, AWeber doesn't make it easy without extra workarounds. That's why if you want a better alternative that integrates seamlessly with Elementor, I highly recommend checking out the tools I've linked below. They offer modern form builders, better automation, and even higher deliverability rates than AWeber. Plus, through my link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, way better than a standard offer. I've also included some great alternatives if you're focused on improving conversion rates and design flexibility. Check them out in the description.